The bell is rung on this Extreme Rules match.
Not the type of match for people with a weak... Michael Cole takes shelter. Here comes the storm. With the F5. Bang!
Glazed eyes on Femi now. What in the world? He's in total disbelief. That did not finish the job.
Everyone watching this is in total disbelief right now.
And Lesnar is furious right now. Kicking out of that may have been a poor decision.
Arm wringer applied. Top wrist lock. Opponent down to one knee.
Oof. But here comes the...
Oh, no. Lesnar's about to end this. Oh, the ball from grace from Oba Femi. Oba turning the lights out.
Perform all your heavy hitters. The result will be the same. Brock Lesnar will not stay down.
And now the question runs in the mind, how am I going to be able to...
Oh, what a massive fall from grace.
Can that finish the Beast off?
Just inhuman tenacity on display from Brock Lesnar. He was basically operating on natural instinct with that kick out.
That was the best weapon in the arsenal, but it wasn't enough to produce an end result. And he comes in under the ropes now. And he's leaving the ring for the moment. No clue what he hopes to find down there.
A table! And guys, I don't think there will be any place settings.
Clearing off our desk. What could be the thought process here?
I don't think it's anything good.
I don't know if it's anything I can watch.
Femi saw what was coming.
Steered away there. The adrenaline is pumping, and the WWE Universe is on his side. He is determined to fight out of this predicament.
Femi gets cut off.
Each counter leaving these competitors at a stalemate.
Launching their opponent across the ring.
I'm worried our announce table will soon be in the line of fire here.
Who cares about the table? What about us?
Climbing to the top. What's he?
Look out!
Right on point. Forget about it. Kicks out before the 2 count. And he fights it off.
A long 2.5 in the waning moments of this match.
Into the arm drag. Quick reversal.
Brock Lesnar, the Beast unleashed.
Lesnar's got this closed up.
Covers, wasting no time.
This could be it.
No, he beats the count.
I thought that was game over. Pure guts to kick out there.
Lesnar doesn't get paid by the hour. He wanted this to be over seconds ago.
We've seen epic battles before, but this is going toward a whole nother level.
These competitors just keep raising the stakes, keep pushing their limits.
And what need is there to go looking under the apron like this?
Looks like he's ready to bust some heads with that sledgehammer, gentlemen.
My goodness, the human skeleton shouldn't have to endure a smash like that.
This is certainly an effective use of a foreign object.
Arm wringer, punch to the face.
Now he's looking for some momentum.
Overweathered the storm and wants to create a...
Going for the pin for the win. Kick out.
And you got to think he's just one final blow away from not kicking out next time.
Uh-oh, he's searching for something.
The universal signal for extreme. The kendo stick has entered the fray.
He's starting to look bad.
Yeah, but no one has ever won an Extreme Rules match by playing it safe.
The WWE Universe really these superstars on.
Pumping the adrenaline they so desperately need right now.
Suplex City.
Shoulders down, this might do it.
Brock Lesnar gets the win in an impressive fashion.
Here is your winner, Brock Lesnar.
What a win for Lesnar.
If there's anyone who's going to bounce back from a loss like this, it's Femi.